want you to sustain F on the bottom, which is just very nice. Okay, now I want you to go from F and go back up the scale to F, G, A, B flat, and C. Here's your fingering chart for all of them. And I want you to sustain each of them. Just sustain them, just to give them support.
Okay, let me start it.
Yeah, you can start over. It's okay. Everyone has difficulty beginning French horn. It's okay. Don't puff out your cheeks. Yes. Yes, just like that. Okay. So, let's start right here. I want you to play, this exercise is called the Fab Five. And this is employing all the notes that we learned, and you know how to count, and you know how to count wrists. So I'm going to give you a tempo, we're going to go slow, and I want you to see if you can play this. Okay? You're going to start on F. And we're going to go through it one time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, let's start that again.
That's okay. You have to have real concentrated breath when you start it. So you can start right on the downbeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Okay, let's stop. Let me talk to you about tonguing. Tonguing is how you articulate notes on a brass instrument. So, for these 4 Fs and this G, you're going to play this on the same stream of air. The only thing you're going to change is by saying ta. So your master start, you're going to go ta, 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 ta. And that's going to sound the different notes. Just try that on F. Just sustain an F and try it. Ta, ta, ta. Yes. Sustain it first. Let me play it for you again. Get the sustain and then start going. Yes, just like that. So every one of these is not going to be a separate breath. So you're going to tongue these, rest, 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 and you're going to tongue these. Okay? So let's try it again, keeping that tonguing in mind. Be real direct when we start. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, real high. Da, bum, bum, bum. Okay, let's do it again. Da, da. That was getting there. That was good. Go up to the C because it's kind of difficult, and practice tonguing on the C. Sustain it first and then tongue. Yes. Yes, that's very good. Okay, let's move on. This is called Rolling Along, but it's Mary Had a Little Lamb. This stays kind of down in the lower register, and this doesn't give note names, so you're going to have to know what this is. It starts on an A. So let's see if you can play this. All this is going to when you say breath, that means a rest. This is going to mean breathe. Okay. So all this set of notes is going to be on the same breath. It's just tonguing. This set's going to be on the same breath, and so on. So you're just going to tongue those. So I'm not going to give you a tempo this time. I just want you to look at that. Get this pitch in your head. Is where you're going to start. And I want you to play this on your own time. Yes. I have to jump up. Yes. Keep on going. Yes! Very nice job. So tonguing makes this easier. So you don't have to every note. Okay? So we made it over to rolling along. So this is going to be your basis for playing the French horn. So
Okay.
you have to have a large column of air, very concentrated lips, have to bring the instrument up to your lips, and have a lot of air support. Very difficult instrument to play. You've started out very nice. So thank you for being my participant.
Thank you.
Thanks very much. Is the last one done? Yes. So, if you ever would like to take up the French horn, it takes a lot of breath control and a lot of practice to get those notes sustained. There's a lot of lung support in this instrument. It's a very difficult instrument. It's one of arguably the most difficult brass instrument to play. So you've done a very nice job during this first lesson. You've learned the first 5 notes of the concert scale, and I'm very pleased with your work. So this is my first French horn lesson with Jonah. So thank you very much.